Today we're going to continue talking about adverbs that compare. First, let's review. Adverbs, which answer the question how, when, or where, can be used to compare two actions. Typically, you use the ending er with most adverbs when you compare two actions. Sometimes, though, if the adverb ends in ly, use the word more. This today is going to be just a reminder of how to form adverbs. Add er to one-syllable adverbs to show comparison. If the adverb ends with e, drop the e before adding er, otherwise your spelling is going to be all weird. So for example, Linda went home later than her brother did. The adverb is later, because it's comparing to when Linda went home to when her brother went home. The word is late. The adverb is late. So in order to add the er, we need to drop the e. Otherwise it would look like later or something crazy like that. So late becomes later. Also, you use more before adverbs that end in ly. So for example, Linda arrived at the barn more recently than her brother. We're comparing when they arrived at the barn. Recently ends in ly, so we're going to use more before it and it becomes more recently. Sometimes an adverb that ends in ly will drop the ly and add ier. And these are when it's tricky to know when to use it, but you will find out it doesn't sound right. So for example, Linda arose earlier than her brother did. Arose means to wake up. So the adverb is early, but because it ends in ly, but we don't want to say more early than her brother did because that's not right. So she arose earlier. Here's an interactive question. Linda hammered quietly than her brother. We have to fix that adverb because we're comparing how they hammer. The first question, does the adverb have one syllable? Quietly. What do you think? No, it does not have one syllable. Does it end in ly? Yes, quietly ends in ly. So what do we need to do? Add more before quietly. So the sentence becomes, Linda hammered more quietly than her brother. Here's another one. Mike spoke loud, then the truck's engine roared. Does the adverb is loud, does it have one syllable? Yes or no? Yes, the adverb has one syllable. Does it end in ly? No, it does not end in ly. So what do we need to do? We need to add er to loud. So the sentence becomes, Mike spoke louder than the truck's engine roared. On your flipped classroom homework sheet, write the correct form of the adverb in parentheses to complete the sentence. If you need to, go back into the video and look at the questions I asked. Is it one syllable? Does it end in ly? What do I need to do? If it's one syllable, you just add er. If it ends in ly, you add more.